For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Well, this morning in the first hour trading pit, we had questions about how it was that I structured an order to get the trade in UPS automated. I want to show you this one. So UPS opened above our stated entry price on the trading plan by quite a bit. We were up at 106.24. It then moved higher to 106.43. When it came back down through that pivot line, one of the people in the first hour pit noted that we had a possible pivot reversal. I, in fact, took that trade. So 106.24, once we had an entry there, we had a very smooth move down to what was going to be our profit target on that. But let's take a look first at how these orders are entered. So first thing in the morning, right, 106.24, that's a no-brainer. You just sell short UPS, 106.24. Once the order is live on the screen, if we want to move that order up or down, we can just move it right there on the chart. We can also go into the montage, and we can just move the order around and change the order by dragging it and dropping it. So you see I brought it all the way down here again. Once the position was established, though, let's take a look at what happened. So it came down, and when it hit 105.91, we started seeing support and resistance from yesterday's range. Now the ultimate target on this for this morning was 105.75, and once it got down there, I said I was going to automate the rest of the trade. The way that I did that was with an OCO order. Let's take a look at the OCO order then that got us out of this thing. So what we were looking for was 105.75 as a target. So all you had to do in that case was say buy, right? And initially I was using a trailing stop of 21 cents. Then when it got down to 105.75, what we did was say change the trailing stop once you hit that initial target level. And you're not going to use a penny, but we wound up using 10 cents. And then we hit place order. So what that does is it gives you sort of a wider trailing stop as the stock is moving in your favor. And then once it hits the area that you think is going to be support and resistance and probably put the brakes on the trade, you tell it to go and change your trailing stop. In this case, it's only 10 cents, but 10 cents is still a few bucks, depending on how many shares you're trading. And Realtek uses that then essentially as a conditional order. And once 105.75 is hit, 105.85 becomes your stop. And as the stock moves lower, right, it got down to 105.64. Then what happened was the trailing stop kept following in behind. And once we hit 105.74, the trade was taken off. So that's the way we handle these kinds of orders with Realtek. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.